Of the millions and millions of tons of plastic we produce, less than 10% gets recycled. More than 90% is dumped into the environment. And when plastic gets dumped into the environment, it slowly breaks down into smaller and smaller particles, eventually becoming very small, microplastics, or even tiny nanoplastics. These particles travel down rivers, reach the seas, spread throughout the oceans, and enter the fish we later eat, so they end up back inside us.
When I started to teach, I set the challenge to some of my students. They went out onto the shoreline, they collected samples of sand, and we started to look at them under the microscope. And from the very first samples, we could see pieces that did not look like sand grains, brightly coloured pieces, red and blue. And it was then almost a kind of forensic journey to confirm their identity. And we confirmed that they were indeed plastics. We showed that they were present around the UK in a range of different habitats, in sediments and in the water column. And interestingly, in that first paper in 2004, my first paper on the topic, we used the term microplastics. And the term hadn't been used in this context for truly microscopic pieces before. There had been, and we referenced them in our paper, some studies of small pieces of plastic before, but we went smaller than anybody else. We showed this bioavailability. We showed the temporal trend of increasing over time.